Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Sir, you're businessman. Why are you wearing shorts and your glasses are upside down?
Sorry, my pants are at the cleaner, so I just thought, why not wear shorts? And let me just fix my glasses real quick.
Bruh.
Okay, how can I help you?
The keyboard is even not connected to anything.
Oh, the keyboard is connected to my imagination.
No!
So how can I help you?
Ignore that. Do you have a PS5? I need it for my son's birthday.
Oh, yeah. Just let me check, okay?
I think this guy have mental health issues. He should go to psychopath hospital.
Just give me a sec. I just need to attach this to my... Come on, stupid thing. Okay, unfortunately we do not have the PS5 we're looking for, but we do have something new and better.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no.
What the hell is that? Did that come from Temu? Let's play have limits. That is the word of this game.
Yes, finally it worked. About your earlier predicament. Hey, new word for my college. Oh, sorry. So the GS5 is an upgraded version of the PS5. So it's actually really advanced, and it came out of PlayStation's new. I don't even know what I'm talking about.
You stupid.
Not a single college will accept you. What the hell are you talking about?
At least I have you, my love.
What the heck? Never mind. Do you have a PC? At least?
Oh, my back. Oh, okay. Yeah, a PC. We have that. We absolutely have that. Let me just get it. Wait,
No!
How the hell does young guy have a back problem? Actually, never mind. Just show me the damn PC.
Oh, I just finished. Our PC is only $1. Would you like to purchase it? Oh, wait, let me just show you it.
Hey, yo, what the?
What the hell is that? I did not born for this. Did you make that with a dinosaur bone?
Actually, sir, dinosaur bones are not sustainable enough to create an actual working PC. You're welcome.
No!
Time to die.
Actually, sir, the bullet can only trigger initial damage if the bullet is in the gun, which can create enough positive impact to negatively impact the enemy with a single bullet shot to the...
That's it. Time to die.
Yo!
I was scientifically incorrect. Stupid tie won't work it up. How did he even die? I know how to fix this. The cops will thank me. Ultimate hacker instincts. This is the police. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. I only got my gun license yesterday.
Bruh.
Put your hands up.
Do you think an Indian dad will kill somebody? Look at there. That big fat noob hacker is trying to do it.
Sir, I do not know what you are talking about. I am a noble chef who accidentally dropped my glasses on the ground. And don't ask why I have a keyboard. I'm just addicted to...
Weirdo.
I know you're Where are you? Bro, I'm not even a real cop. I'm just gonna... Wait, what does this do?
All I wanted is just a gift for my son. Wait, but he failed his exam. He doesn't deserve anything. Never mind.